Hi, and welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering Outlook 365 Basics. My name is Chip Reaves, and for over 30 years I've been an IT consultant and a Microsoft trainer, helping people to be more productive with technology. Microsoft Outlook is a powerful tool you can use to stay connected and get organized, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for users who may be familiar with Outlook, but want to have a solid understanding of how to use all the basic features. We'll start with navigating the Outlook interface, using the Backstage area, and customizing the layout, including the reading pane and the to-do bar. Next, we'll look at multiple ways to create new messages, add basic formatting, and set delivery options. We'll also discuss reading and replying to messages, attaching documents, managing messages, and organizing with folders. Then we'll add appointments and events to the calendar and modify appointment details. We'll also schedule new meetings and recurring meetings and learn how to manage meeting invitations and requests. In our last section, we'll view, edit, and manage contacts, and we'll also create and edit a new contact group. By the end of this course, my hope is that you'll feel comfortable navigating and using the basic elements of Outlook 365.